Hello and welcome, creative friends! How to hide messages in junk journals? Well, in this video I'm showing you 3 easy ways to hide messages in your journals. They are quick, they are easy, and probably anyone can do them with materials you already have at home. This video is part of my No Sew November Challenge video series. It's gonna be fun, so let's get started. My journal already has a hidden pocket for day 6, which can be accessed from the backside. Idea 1. My first tag is a tag with hidden space. You can write messages, store pictures or hide letters inside. To create this kind of tag, you simply need a strip of paper. I'm using an offcut from a 12x12 sheet, 4 inches wide and 12 inches long, folded in half. To cut the edges, I'm using my template. My paper is single-sided, so it's perfect for writing on the plain white inside. Idea 2. A tag with flip-flop fold-out compartments that form hidden spaces naturally. It's mostly recycled packaging material, cut to size of my tag shape. Scotch tape works perfectly to adhere it, or you can use washi tape, just use what you have. Add something to keep the tag shut, like a paper clip, and it's ready to store in my pocket. But I'll come back to this tag later and show you another opportunity, so stay tuned until the end. I reveal one of my top secrets for hiding messages. Idea 3. This page is already my first full-size page to work on. I wanted to create a place where you can write and hide your messages. That's where my secret pocket comes in. It's made with an offcut from a Pendaflex file folder, fitting the size of my page. Now I'm looking for an image I want to use. Lots of possibilities. I'm looking for matching colors and something that fits the time of year. So I decided to use this wreath. It's glued onto my file folder piece and trimmed around. Two-thirds to one-third in size. The two-third part will serve as the pocket and the one-third part as the pull-out piece. You will need another piece of paper that's smaller and shorter than your current one. It will be glued to the back of the one-third part and serve as the slide-out writing spot. Glue your two-third piece down on 3 sides onto your page. Wipe away any excess glue. I'm always a messy gluer. Then assemble your second piece with the back paper inside your pocket. From the front, it looks like a picture, but it's one that hides a secret message. This butterfly also needed to go on my page. I don't know why exactly, but I needed a bit of more sparkle, so I added this gold strip. And as my butterfly felt a little lonely, I needed a companion. I'm using a sticker sheet from Action, but I'm sure similar images can be found at Hobby Lobby, the dollar store or Walmart. And of course, I needed a message. To grow positive thoughts is a good one. This feather also needed to be added to my page. Let's take a look at what we have created so far, and then I reveal one more secret as I promised at the beginning of this video. There are 2 tags hidden inside the back pocket. And the picture on the front page contains a hidden message that can be pulled out. And now, my absolute favorite place to hide messages. Can you see this? It's part of my artwork. Love you till the stars. It's probably hard to read because it's mostly blended into my art. So together with my back pocket, I've shown you 5 possibilities to hide messages. Which one will you try? Please let me know in the comments. I really hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Happy creating and see you next time.